My name is Cecile Belilius, and I'm the head of Impact and Sustainability at Pitango Venture Capital, based out of Israel. At Pitango, we believe that technology is critical to protect people and our planet and create a fair and inclusive society. We're happy to be playing an active role as investors to support impact startups. I'm proud to announce that the XTC 2021 winner of the Edtech category is Testmaster. Their technology revolutionizes education in Western African societies with a unique mobile application to help students learn and pass their matriculation exams. It has already impacted thousands of underprivileged students across Nigeria with over 16,000 exercises and tutorials embedded into the curriculum, providing an affordable and effective means to learning and public education. We know that education translates to greater opportunities and social mobility, and so congratulations to the Testmaster team for their impactful work and for their many achievements. Please enjoy their pitch.
Hi, everybody. My name is Ophir Zukovsky, and I'm the co-founder of Testmaster. Testmaster is tackling one of the greatest global challenges of the collapsing education systems in sub-Saharan Africa. We created a digital, affordable, private tutor for every child. Few facts. By the year of 2050, 40% of kids under the age of 5 will be African. Education systems in Africa are failing, with overcrowded classes and unqualified teachers. According to the UN reports, Sub-Saharan Africa is expected to have a shortage of 17 million teachers by 2030. In Nigeria, the biggest country in the continent, 62% of kids do not finish high school. This is a staggering reality, but there is hope in the horizon. Africa is at a digital tipping point. Smartphone penetration is skyrocketing. An Android smartphone costs $50 and data prices are dropping. Testmaster is at the forefront of this digital revolution. Testmaster models the national matriculation and college entrance exams into thousands of learning objects, all solved in short, step-by-step videos by the best teachers in the country, providing every child with an affordable digital private tutor in his pocket. We started our journey in Nigeria and have tested our solution with the help of the Educational Department of the University of Lagos. Our students experienced significant improvements of 25 to 30% in both English and math. Today, Testmaster is ranked among the top 3 educational apps in Nigeria with over 200,000 downloads, over 1 million videos watched, and we've just started. We thank you for the opportunity to present today, and we call you from this stage to join our journey to democratize education. Thank you.